Nintendo 3DS modern handheld gaming console. Features 3D depth slider, 3D sound, etc. Nintendo 3DS includes two screens. The bottom touchscreen makes use of a telescoping stylus that is stored in the unit itself. The top screen displays 3D visuals to the naked eye. Looking at the screen is like peering through a window into a world where characters and objects have true depth. The system also has a 3D depth slider that lets players select the level of 3D they enjoy. The 3D effect can be ratcheted up to the highest level, scaled back to a more moderate setting, or even turned off completely. And built-in applications: circle pad, gyro sensor, motion sensor and pedometer. Modern handheld gaming has long been dominated by Nintendo and Sony. The wireless revolution in personal electronics has made online functionality and connectivity to the internet a huge focus in handheld gaming. Every handheld console has an online arena that has either been built specifically for it. By utilizing these portals, players can greatly expand their chosen platform's potential, maximize gaming fun, and increase the overall entertainment value of their devices. The Nintendo eShop is your one-stop shop for exciting downloadable games, videos, applications, and so much more. Discover all new 3D software, plus legendary titles from gaming past remastered in 3D. Revisit with classic portable virtual console games starring Mario, Link, many other from the Nintendo catalog of games. Gain access to hundreds of previously released DSiWare games, applications and much more. Browsing the Nintendo eShop is incredibly easy and fun. Find any title in seconds, then view screenshots, game info, and video to help you to buy. You'll even find details and 3D video of Nintendo 3DS games available at retail stores. It comes with online play and functionality. All games are able to be saved in own custom wishlists so you can always remember the titles. The device is an impressive multifunctional device, with designs meant to encourage gameplay on the go, integration with the internet, backwards compatibility. Taking a few minutes to examine the main features, and getting more familiar with available options, accessories and possible limitations. To purchase Nintendo 3DS gaming console, please visit the link in the video description. For more video uploads in the future, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.